Welcome to the Orderica.com training videos. In this video, we're going to discuss products. Let's go ahead and start by selecting the Products drop-down on the left, followed by the Products tab. Here you'll find the list of all of your products. To add a new product to the list, click the Add Product button at the top of the page. The fields labeled with a red asterisk are required, while everything else is optional. Start by adding a title, and then a unique SKU or canonical ID. Then add the quantity and price as well as the real cost if you'd like. Below that, you can add in any dimensions or weight. And on the right of the weight field, you can select the drop-down to select the units of the weight. Then select the brand and vendor of the product if you want from the drop-down menus. If you don't see the options you want, then you can click Create to add a new one. Next, we have the categories. Select the boxes of all categories that apply to this product. Some are general categories, and by pressing the plus sign on the left, you can expand them to see the subcategories. You can select individual subcategories or press the box at the top to select them all. For the image, select Upload Image, then click Add Image to select an image from your computer. Use the editing window and the aspect ratios to fit the image to your liking. Click the Date Available field and select which day on the calendar that this product will be available for purchase. Enter in a short description of the product and follow that with a long description if you'd like. Next, we have the variant section. This is where we can add size and color variants to this product. Start by clicking the Add Variant button. Then enter in an option for the variant. Then add in all the different values for that variant. You can click the Add New Variant button to add as many variants as you'd like. Beneath that, you'll see lines for every possible combination of this product possible. You can modify some of the data of the specific variants if they are different from the parent item. If you want each value of a variant to be presented in your store's product listing, then select the box at the right. If you don't select this, only the parent will be shown in your product listing, and only after the customer has selected it will they see the individual variant options. You can also select the trash can button to delete a variant. The bottom section is for search engine optimization. Be sure to enter in the most relevant information about your product in this section to help people reach your store when they are searching on the internet. When you're all done, click Add Product. The product will then be added to the list. If you ever want to update the information you entered in for this product, press the Update Product link under the Actions column. You'll be presented with the same form, and you can edit and update any information you need. Be sure to press the Update Product button at the bottom to save your changes when you're all done. Now let's look at some of the other options listed under the Actions column, starting with List Categories. At the bottom, you'll have the list of all of the categories applied to this product. To add a new one, click on this green button here. You'll be given a list of all categories and subcategories, and just as before, you can select which ones to add. You can also choose to list all other products in a category or edit the category information using the Actions menu here. When you're done selecting, press the green button at the top right. To remove any category, select its corresponding box, then press the red Remove button. Next, there's List Variants. Click this and a pop-up of all the variants for this product will be shown. Next, we have the 3 Add actions. If you want to add a product to Specials, New Arrivals, or Best Sellers, click their corresponding links. For more information on these 3 sections, be sure to watch their dedicated videos. Next, if you want to add more images for the product, click the List Images link under the Actions column. If you scroll down, you will see the product image list section, which shows you all the images associated with this product. If you want to add more images to this list, then click the Upload Image button in the section above. Select an image from your computer and click Add. If you want to remove an image from the list, select its box and click the Remove Selected button. If you want to change which image is the default image for the product, select the circle under the Set Default Image column for the image you want, and then press the Set Default Image button in the top right to save the changes. If you click on Similar Products, you'll be taken to a page where you can select which products are similar to this one, which will make it easier for your customers to find pieces they like while browsing your store. At the bottom here under Unselected Products, use the page navigations and the search bar to find the products you want to add to the similar list. Select their corresponding boxes, then press the Add to Similar Products button at the top here. If you ever want to remove an item from the list, select it and press the red Remove button at the top right here. Lastly, there's Manage Reviews. Here you'll see the list of all the reviews from customers for this product. You can use the gray X button on the far right to change the approval of a comment. You can use this, for example, if there's a review from someone who didn't even purchase the product, or if they said something inappropriate that you don't wish to be shown on your website. After you've changed the approval of a comment to false, you can click the green Activate button to change it back to true. You can also use the delete and edit buttons as you see fit. Now, returning back to the products page, there are several features that allow you to manage your products list. For starters, you can use some of the search features at the top here to filter your products by certain categories, material types, or any other search criteria you can think of. Use the arrows here to change between the multiple pages of products, and you can also change the number of products present on a page by selecting this drop-down menu here. If you ever want to delete a product, you can select its corresponding box on the left and then select Delete on the top right. You can also deactivate the item if you don't want to delete the profile completely. You can always press the Show Inactive Products button at the top here and reactivate them. Well, that concludes our video. If you want to learn about the bulk upload and export to CSV features for products, be sure to watch the Part 2 video for products. And if you have any questions, feel free to email us at info@orderica.com. Thank you for watching.